Alright guys, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install the rear saddlebag protectors. And first you're going to start with removing the saddlebags, removing the seat, removing this side cover here as well. We're going to take out this bolt, Torx here. That's the front of the bag support bar. And we're going to take out both of these here. We're going to take off the muffler support here and here and disassemble all that so that we can put the new one in place. All right, it's on here loosely. I did not tighten up any of the bolts yet, none of this stuff. It's just all hand tight here. And then this is your other bolt that you're going to have to take out. I did reinstall this seat retainer bracket. Some seats use it, some seats don't. I'm not sure, so I'm going to leave it on there and see how the seat fits. After I tighten this all down, I did test fit the saddlebag and it fits good here. I did test fit the side cover. It fits good here with plenty of clearance. So next I'm going to tighten it up and show you what it looks like on. Right, so when I was putting this back together, it did have underglow on here previously, and I was reinstalling this back in the same position with some zip ties. While I was doing that, I did notice as this wire comes up and around how close this rear brake line is to this bracket. And this is going to move up and down. I did bend it in about 1/2 inch towards the tire. There's plenty of clearance there. And now there's plenty of clearance here, so as it moves up and down, it is not going to chafe on this bracket. All right, we got it fully installed. I do not have the seat on because I still need to do the other side, but same procedure. A couple of things to note on the left side of the bike. I did need to take this bottom bolt back out and bend this downwards a tiny bit. I just stepped on it with my foot so that this bracket and that bracket, the holes line up at the bottom. Otherwise, I could not get the front bag retainer bolt in to hold the bag on. It was up a little bit too high, about 1/4 inch. So just note, before you snug this down, just make sure it's down towards the bottom of the hole and it should be fine. The other thing to note is when you're pushing in these grommets for the exhaust, there is a little extended portion that comes in from the front towards the back. Here's the other side completed. Looks pretty awesome. Harvard's chrome.